Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi guys, we are from Nugget Jaya. Today, we want to make delicious chicken nuggets. Firstly, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Gali Gumiwang Yusuf.
My name is Rasia Sataki.
My name is Trisatya Prayoga.
My name is Kirana Dara.
My name is Raisa Magani Azalea.
My name is Aulia Nadea.
My name is Wisodna Fiazaid.
My name is Cesar Feral Gunawan.
Don't forget to buy Nugget Jaya. Enough talking, let's begin. From Kucing.
Kucing.
Puree the chicken meat with white bread and a little mineral water using a chopper. After being mashed, the result becomes a dough. Put the dough in a basin. Mix the chicken eggs into the mixture and mix well. Add 500 grams of wheat flour and mix evenly.
Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, then mix evenly. Add 1½ teaspoons chicken stock. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Add 3 teaspoons of salt and smooth it all out. After that, shape the dough according to your taste. Then steam for 30 minutes.
Beat 5 chicken eggs until smooth. Coat the nuggets with beaten chicken eggs and then coat the nuggets with breadcrumbs. Put them in the freezer for approximately 2 hours so that the shape of the nuggets is more perfect in the breadcrumbs. If you want to fry it over medium heat until it is perfectly cooked. Your nuggets is ready. Enjoy your nuggets.